Most handyman businesses don't struggle because of lack of skill. They struggle because of chaos. Missed calls, forgotten appointments, messy quotes, and unpaid invoices slowly eat away at profit. Most people get this wrong and think working harder will fix it. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the handyman businesses growing the fastest are the ones using simple apps to stay organized and win more jobs without extra stress. In this video, you'll learn the 16 best apps for handyman businesses in 2026 that help you get more leads, book jobs faster, manage your schedule, and get paid on time. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most handymen lose jobs before they even start because they respond too slowly. Apps like Jobber and Housecall Pro fix this instantly. They capture leads, send automatic replies, and let you schedule jobs in seconds. So when someone like Jake requests a drywall repair, your business responds immediately instead of hours later. But here's the problem. Fast replies alone are not enough if you look unorganized. That's where Google Business Profile becomes essential. It helps you show up when people search handyman near me. Alex, a small handyman in Texas, doubled his calls just by uploading job photos and collecting weekly reviews. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best handyman businesses don't just do good work, they look professional online. Apps like Canva help you create simple before and after posts that build instant trust with homeowners. Now let's talk pricing. Slow quotes, lose jobs. Tools like Joist and Jobber let you send clean estimates in minutes. No confusion. No delays. Just clear pricing that helps customers say yes faster. But here's another major issue. Getting paid late. Apps like QuickBooks and Square fix this by letting you send invoices immediately after finishing a job. Some handymen even get paid on the spot before leaving the driveway. Now let's improve daily efficiency. Google Maps and Routeform help you plan multiple jobs in the same area, so you waste less time driving and complete more work each day. Now let's talk communication. Apps like WhatsApp Business and Slack keep you connected with clients and helpers instantly. No missed messages. No confusion about job details. For marketing, MailChimp helps you follow up with past customers. This matters because most handyman work comes from repeat clients and referrals, not cold leads. Now here's a powerful growth tool. Nicheshop automatically requests reviews after each completed job. More reviews mean more trust, and more trust means more bookings without extra advertising. For lead generation, Thumbtack and Angie connect you with homeowners who are actively searching for handyman services right now. These are high-intent customers ready to hire. Google Calendar keeps your schedule clean, so you never double book or forget a job. And Zapier connects all your apps together so your business runs automatically in the background. Here are the key takeaways. The most successful handyman businesses in 2026 are not working harder. They are using apps to respond faster, stay organized, get paid quickly, and build trust automatically. Start with a few core apps first. Master them. Then expand as your business grows. If you do this right, you will stop losing jobs to slow competitors and start running a handyman business that feels organized, professional, and consistently profitable. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what business you want next, and subscribe for more real-world business growth systems.